reading, the win-win wealth strategy. Like and subscribe. Number 6. Has something you made changed the process to reduce costs or to improve manufacturing capabilities or timing? So if something you've made in your business to help your business, has it changed the process that reduce costs to improve like how fast something can to improve manufacturing capabilities or timing? So if something you've made, it basically has like reduced costs and to improve manufacturing. So like it's reduced costs in manufacturing, it to reduce costs and it's improved manufacturing capabilities or how fast it manufactures, then you could possibly tax deduct that. So you could check that out if like what you made can do that. So Copper Lost in Time is a book written by me about a dog named Copper and how he gets lost in the lost in the future and how to get back to the present. And Aliens Stole My Homework 1 and 2 are books both written by my brother, both about a kid named Ned, and both about how he stopped aliens from stealing his homework. But in Aliens Stole My Homework 2, there's a lot more pressure on Ned as he is now in college. And as a kid, this is a book written by me and my brother about how kids can help their parents in their business. And Kopi Soup is a book written by me about a guy named Bob and how he found a delicious soup to eat. When he discovered the ingredients, he was shocked. And these books are on Amazon, so you can buy them there. Okay, I hope you liked that. If you did, please like and subscribe. Bye.